Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your iPhone's battery fast. So guys, if you want to save your iPhone's battery, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, here I will give you 5 settings that will help you to save the battery of your device very fast. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that open settings and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back, and now you have to go to your iPhone storage, and if it is full then delete some useless data and useless apps from your device for one time as well. So guys, here you can see your storage, and then you have to simply clear your storage, and then you have to simply delete all those useless apps on your device. So guys, after this go back and now drag down your control center, and then you have to simply make sure that your iPhone's location services are always not on. So guys, if the iPhone's location services are always on, then you have to simply turn them off. And the next solution for this issue is that you have to simply make sure that you are using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data on your device. So guys, you have to simply make sure whenever you are using your iPhone, you are using iPhone's Wi-Fi rather than the mobile data. So guys, use less mobile data and rely on Wi-Fi. So guys, this is the next settings, and then there is another settings as well. That is, you have to simply go to your settings, and from here scroll it below and go to display and brightness, and from here you have to scroll it below, and then you have to simply decrease the brightness of your device. If it is full, then you have to simply decrease it. So guys, after this you have to simply go back and now go to wallpapers, and from here make sure that you are not using a live wallpaper on your Apple device. If you're using a live wallpaper, then you have to simply delete it or change it. So guys, the next solution to save the battery is that you have to open your battery settings and then scroll it below and then turn on the toggle for low power mode. So guys, if you're using iPhone, then you have to simply make it sure that this toggle is always turned on. So guys, this will save your battery health or battery life fast. So guys, you have to simply follow these settings or steps, and after this you will be able to save the health of your battery very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.